Okay. Okay, guys, so let us start our session R4, and then R5 is what? R5 is entity, R6 is hydro. That will say. Okay. So we'll have the same approach, and we are saying that civil activity, general activity, site organization preparation, we are keeping the same restriction as we discussed in package 2. And this activity will be allowed with permit to work system. Emergency drill is prohibited, and actual emergency, the activity will prohibited. And for weather, we are keeping it R2 because we have to follow the company weather restriction procedure. And for HSC CS, we have to follow the R3 as per the HSC impairment criteria. And interfaces, we have to have the interface management plan and WMS system, we make it R4. For transport, setting up tool, structural framing and fencing, temporary pick trap. You have pick trap? No pick trap, right? Can someone confirm?
Yeah, no pick traps.
No offshore. So on installing the temporary piping valves, this will be there. So we'll sketch this in the crane. Crane is not there. I remove the crane. No. Okay. So these are having the same category of hazard. So all the restrictions what we discussed for A1 remain same for A2, A3, A4, A5. This same. Civil activity is a excavation job and backfilling related to the foundation and cable and maybe pipeline and cable trench. Pipeline is not there. I remove the pipeline. That we discussed, that cable trenches you may have something, and installation of pipe support. So these are the two excavation jobs, civil job. So civil job for pipe startup shutdown will have the same R1 because it can create some vapor cloud. And so Rakesh, do we have S2S here? Do we have S2S? Any idea? Noman and Santosh, any S2S well?
Yeah, there is H2S because Santosh, can you confirm? Because I think the next requirement is there due to the H2S. So I think there is H2S in the gas.
So what is the level of S2S? More than 100 ppm?
Yeah. H2S means more than 100, right? Minimum more than 500,000 ppm, it should be there.